water. Then can then the tank is so very good. This one. Everybody knows me. Everybody call me, no, before. Because I'm doing the water, all the, my tap water, how much, no, 900 dollars. This is 18th century. We all started this work with my grandpa, and that's why it's all. Before this, before our Merdeka, my father would do this. Long ago already, how many years I don't know. Because I didn't born there. Then I take over. After my father passed away, I take over the job.
Since
now near years, like my age is 54. So when I started, my age was 12 years old. Hadi, come on, you are 12 years old. So I started the business 12 years old. Until now, I work with my father. I understand last time I worked as a cycling to deliver to house with cycling.
so now you do
Now
everything.
I'm 54 years already. 2-3 years I was retired already. So nobody take over our job. Like this fast. Nobody, no workers here. Yeah lah, I will stop. Nobody here take over. If I stop lah. I will tell our customer, you see other customer. I cannot cover a lot of coming here and coming, go and so and so. Everybody, doctors, the lawyer and the dato. Everybody's here. I have a lot of customer here, ironing and washing. I do the coat and I will do everything clean and neatly. That's why they find out me. Because everybody know me inside in this area, so I will do my job. It's like everybody know you start in Penang. You know the Ramo as everybody know. You name my name. Because I learned in this school area. I can speak Chinese with a bit. Tuesday and Friday I need. So Saturday, Sunday all deliver. You got to send the food to house to house. Your number is there? Dah berapa? Dah mana? Ya, dah tadi ini ada. Ada apa?
Wash.
Yeah, all do wash new water.
Oh, this is after you boil, and then you go to.
Keep the germs.
Oh,
And I put separate. Kalau come out, cannot come out. That's why this job I will do. My workers cannot do. My workers don't know.
if they go and mix up the color, then you got problem.
After I cannot jawab to them. I'm all screw them. Everybody screw me. This one is a very expensive one. If this job I know, how can my children all can go to school? How to heat? Now my children are big already. My father teach me how to do this business.
You cannot train them to do it.
I won't give anybody to.
Oh,
Only I alone do because this one is my job. After the color will come out. So mix together.
Soda.
And not soda, this small powder.
Oh.
And put a bit, and we mix to everybody. The warm water. This is not a water, warm water. You not put a very heavy fire. Your this one can come flash like that.
Just a little bit warm.
It's a bit warm. We can put our hand also inside. No problem. You see the hand first. First we do. Then we don't use machine. We are this 18th century. My father, my grandpa.
Oh, you.
18th, 17th century one. So we use this type.
want it?
After that, one more.
No more.
My last generation.
Why? Why did?
My son, all workers were technician, computer.
Oh.
So nobody come work here. So nobody take over this. Nowadays, there's a lot of people here. Everybody know me. They give us in Chai one, I also own my county. They give more also. Sometimes they see our pretty. Okay, $10. I give $20 to makan kopi. Not every people lah. These are my old customer. This all doctor, lawyer, engineer, and we also got here. Doctor, I watch doctor clothes, doctor shirts. I have a lot of people here. My customer all want lawyer, doctors, engineer. Some I work in the Penang Secretary, Secretary General. They are using Dato all. Everybody calls me. Macam santai pun tadi orang betul ni.
Wow.